Watch through to the end to see exactly how much this fix cost. That sinking feeling when you turn the key and get nothing but a click. Or maybe your headlights are acting possessed, flickering at random. Worried your car might leave you stranded at the worst possible moment? If you own a Ford or Lincoln, these kinds of electrical gremlins might be more than just a dying battery. In fact, these battery issues are incredibly common, often stemming from a single, overlooked component that dealerships know all about, but many independent shops don't. The problem is so widespread that it can lead to misdiagnoses, unnecessary repairs, and a lot of frustration for owners. But we're here to arm you with the knowledge you need to get the right fix and avoid overspending at the shop. Today, we're diving deep into a little-known Ford dealer tip, Special Service Message 48123. This isn't some secret handshake. It's an official communication from Ford to its technicians on the most efficient way to solve a recurring problem. And understanding it could save you serious cash if you're dealing with battery cable corrosion. This simple fix can mean the difference between a $20 part and a repair bill that climbs towards $1,000. This issue affects a huge range of popular Ford and Lincoln models, primarily from the 2012 model year all the way up to 2019. We're talking about everything from the workhorse F-150 to family hauling Explorers and stylish Lincoln MKZs. So here's the deal. The factory-installed battery terminal clamps on these vehicles are highly susceptible to corrosion from the natural gases vented by the battery. Over time, this acidic buildup creates resistance and essentially chokes off the electrical flow. It's like a clog in your car's main artery. If your battery terminal clamps are corroded or damaged, a shop might tell you the only solution is a new harness. But you do not have to replace the entire cable harness. That's the expensive, time-consuming route that's often completely unnecessary. Ford's official message, the SSM, explicitly says to just swap out the faulty clamp. The part number you'll need is BT4Z14450AA for the positive terminal, or BT4Z14450BA for the negative. The repair involves simply cutting off the old, damaged end and crimping the new terminal right onto your existing cable. Then you must seal the connection with adhesive-lined heat shrink tubing. This step is critical. It waterproofs the new connection and prevents moisture from getting in, stopping future corrosion before it can start. Now it's crucial to understand that this isn't a recall, and it's not even a technical service bulletin, or TSB. A lot of websites and forums mix these up. An SSM is simply an internal message for dealers about a common issue, and an approved repair. It is not a warranty extension, so this repair won't be free unless your vehicle is still under its original bumper-to-bumper warranty. Because coverage can vary slightly by model and production date, it's always a smart move to have your dealer run your VIN before you order any parts, just to confirm this procedure applies to your specific vehicle. The symptoms of this problem can be tricky. Beyond the obvious no starts and flickering lights, you might experience slow or labored engine cranking, or strange electronic glitches like your radio presets disappearing. Of course, the most telling sign is visible white, green, or blue corrosion right at the battery clamps. If you see any of these signs, pop the hood and check your terminals. If you're just cleaning them, make sure to neutralize the acid with a baking soda and water solution. Inspect the clamps for any cracks or damage, and once everything is clean and reconnected, apply a thin layer of dielectric grease to the outside of the connection to seal out air and moisture and prevent future issues. DIYers and informed technicians on forums swear by this fix. It's a proven, reliable, and incredibly cost-effective solution. So don't get talked into replacing the full harness unless it's truly been damaged far down the line. Be informed, ask about SSM 48123, and save yourself a headache and a whole lot of money. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe for more insider car tips. And please drop a comment below if you've tackled this repair yourself or if you have any questions. So, how much does this fix actually cost? If you do it yourself, the replacement clamp and heat shrink tubing usually total between $15 and $30. Even if you have a shop do it, you're likely looking at $50 to $100. Far less than replacing the entire harness, which can run $800 or more. It's a small investment that can save you hundreds.